Good morning. Myself, Rahul or Gurjekar, Assistant Professor from Department of Chemistry, CJPT College, Siroda, affiliated to RTM Nagpur University. Today, we will discuss about organometallic chemistry of BSc Semester 6 syllabus topic. Also, we are all safe, informed, stay home, provide, over. The next slide contains metal ionic complex and this in this part of presentation we are going to discuss about metal ionic complex and well-known example this. So we start about the metal ionic complex. What is meant by metal ionic complex? So we start with the definition. According to the definition, organometallic compounds are the compounds in which the central metal atom is linked directly to the carbon atom of organic ligand. In short, I show there is a bracket which contains capital M, which means metal, and arrow shows direction towards the carbon, which is the carbon is the atom of organic ligands, and there is a formation of metal carbon bond, and such organometallic compounds are so called as metal ionic complex. In metal ionic complex, the alkene molecule does not have unshared pair of electrons. Thus, formation of unusual coordination bond is not possible. And also, it shows dipole moment. That means the metal ionic complex always shows dipole moments. Next slides, we have to discuss about the structure and bonding of metal ionic complex. In metal ionic complex, there are two types of arrangements are possible in the formation of bond between metal and ethylene ligand. The first one is formation of sigma bonds between metal and carbon atom of ethylene, and second one is formation of pi bond between metal and ligand in organometallic complex. In the right side of the slides, we see figure A, which shows the carbon there is a bond, and around these two bonds there is a two circles, dark circles, which shows the pi bond containing electrons, and there is one empty orbital attached to this dark circle is a hybridized orbital of metal which is empty. While figure B shows there is a carbon-carbon ethylene molecule bonds which have empty orbitals, pi bond and anti-bonding orbitals, and metal having d orbital which is filled, and C is a combination of both A and B figures. So in short, we explain all these figures. We know that all transition elements form such complexes with ethylene. An ethylene complex having sp2 hybridized two carbon atoms which contains pz orbital perpendicular to the ethylene plane. These orbitals overlap to form pi bond. The formation of pi bond leads to form pi bonding and anti-bonding orbital. In short, the pi bond when forms, it also form pi bonding molecular orbital and pi anti-bonding molecular orbital. For the formation of ligand to metal bond, the pi bonding orbitals of ethylene molecule containing two electrons overlap with the empty habitus orbital of metal by transferring electrons density, which is shown in figure A. Figure A shows there is a pi bonding molecular orbital of ethylene molecule which has two electrons. They donates electrons to the empty orbital of metal, d orbital, and to forms ligand metal bond. In short, I show here. In short, figure A, the ligand containing pi bonding orbitals having two electrons overlap with the empty heavy orbital of metal and forms ligand metal bond. Similarly, the pi antibonding orbitals of ethylene molecule overlap with the inner d orbital of metal. The electron density transfer from metal to ligand. In figure B, you see the figure B. There is a carbon-carbon having empty pi antibonding orbitals, and there is a metal having filled d orbitals, inner d orbital having electrons. This d orbital donates electron density to the pi antibonding orbital of ethylene molecule and to form metal to ligand back pi bond, and such back pi bonding also called as synergistic effect. In short, metal having filled the inner orbital containing electron density transfer to the pi antibonding orbital of ligand and to form metal to ligand back pi bond. The well-known example of this metal-ethylene complex is this salt, potassium trichloroethene platinum 2 complex. So in next slide, there is a short discussion of metal-ethylene complex bonding and structure. First one is there is a formation of pi bond in ethylene molecules to form pi bonding and pi antibonding orbitals. The formation of ligand to metal bond involves transfer of or overlapping of pi bonding orbitals containing two electrons to the empty habitus orbital of metal. Similarly, the formation of metal to ligand back pi bond involves metal inner d orbitals containing electron density transfer to the pi antibonding orbitals of ligands. This is a short discussion of structure and bonding of metal ethylene complex. Next slide, we say about the this salt. There is a preparation of this salt. There is a chemical reaction or a preparation reaction to form this salt. In this salt contains central platinum metal having Bsp2 hybridization, which shows square planar geometry. In this salt, the platinum atom having Bsp2 hybridization overlaps with pi bonding orbital of ethylene, and d orbital of platinum overlap with pi anti-bonding orbital of ethylene ligand. Similarly, we discussed in metal ethylene complex. Similar explanation is there. This metal platinum and ethylene complex both are perpendicular, which makes an angle of 90 degree and having square planar geometry. There is a certain evidence which favor the synergistic effect or back pi bonding of metal to ligand electron transfers. These are bond length of
carbon-carbon bond in alkanes is greater than normal alkene CC bond, which is because of the increase in electron density in pi antibonding orbitals of ethylene ligand. Second evidence shows that the planar alkene molecules becomes non-planar and hydrogen atom bending away from the carbon atoms. Third one is both the carbons are in same distance from central metal. That means these two carbons are of same distance from the metal or central metal. The carbon-carbon bond perpendicular to the molecular plane. Here is clearly we show, we see the metal to the ethylene molecule bond is perpendicular to the plane of carbon-carbon bond of ethylene molecule or ligand. This is overall discussion about metal ethylene complex, and there is well-known example is solved. Hope so you are enjoying it and it is beneficial for you. Thank you.